Hi, I'm Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we're going to show you how to use the TLF09 37-degree wheel and die kit add-on. This 37-degree single flare die set is an add-on for the TLF08. As such, it is only intended to work with the TLF08 tool. This add-on kit contains a 3/16 to 3/8 rotating die selector and 4 die blocks for the 37-degree flare. With the TLF08 mount tool inside the vise, swap the 45-degree die selector with the 37-degree die selector. Next, place the appropriate 37-degree die block in the yoke assembly and slide the tubing through the die block. Now, close the yoke assembly, press the black knob forward, and tighten the yoke assembly handle. After the tubing is secure, press the mount handle forward and the die selector will properly align the tubing with the die block. Once aligned, completely tighten the yoke assembly handle and rotate the die selector from op 0 to op 2. Now, grab the handle of the mount and push it forward to create the 37-degree flare. With the flare complete, loosen the yoke assembly handle, pull the black knob out, and remove and inspect your 37-degree flare. If you have any questions, visit www.inlinetube.com and click the live chat button in the bottom right corner to speak with an expert. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and like, comment, and share our other videos.